Today we are installing a roof rack on my 2014 Toyota Tundra. Here are all the fasteners and instructions that it came with. Opened everything out, laid everything, and made sure everything was organized just to make installation a little bit easier. As you can see, I already have the bed rack installed. Here's the finish. It comes with a pretty similar finish that matches up with the bed rack. Here are the rails, the aluminum channel rails, which looks to be a high quality grade. And the plus is that it has these channels that you can have these T-channel bolts that fit right in, so you can bolt anything to the roof. If you have some party tables, it does help out quite a bit. I laid down 2 tables and I was able to fit the roof rack on top for an ease of installation. As you can see, I have everything laid out and it's almost all put together at this point. I was rather impressed with the quality of this build. I was looking at a Prinsu rack, but as many of you are probably looking at this, it's because of how much you can save on this rack. So some of the other tools you might need is a drill bit, and you will be drilling into the roof of your car. And you also need a riv nut tool. As you can see in this picture, you just had the hole drilled out just big enough for the riv nut to fit in. Insert the rib nut and that tool will pinch everything right into place. And here's what it looks like after it's fully installed and bolted to the roof. Keep in mind you will also have to waterproof those holes, so get some silicone and make sure you put it around the hole. But I like the overall look. Looks really good on the Tundra. Matches up with the rear bed rack as well, and I'm looking forward to putting some storage on top of here. My only negative feedback was the front bolts here aligned with the cross member, so it made it really difficult to screw the bolt and tighten the fastener in. Otherwise, everything else turned out great. Even the front bar has a cross section where you can attach a light to if you want to have some like a Baja style type light in the front. And here I'm showing you the grooves where the T-bolts can slide right in. And here's the finished look from the side view of the truck. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one.